The ceremony ends in the great festival of chariots, the Ratha Yatra, the grandest of the grand festivals of the Indian subcontinent. Lord Jagannath, accompanied by his brother Balabhadra and sister Subhadra, led by his celestial wheel Sudarshan, comes out of the temple precincts in a ritual procession. They climb their holy chariots, and the teeming millions of devotees get their heart's content of looking at the beautiful visage of Lord Jagannath in his new incarnation. The fervent prayer of the devotees, "May the Lord Jagannath, Master, appear before my eyes."
Aratvam sansaram dutataram saram surapate aratvam papanam vitatim param yadavapate aho dinanatham nihitamachalam nishchitapadam Jagannath Swami Nayana Pathagami Bhavatu me